Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Snapchat application, and then in this interface at the top left corner you need to click on your profile image button right up here. After that you will see this interface, and then in the middle of the screen there is two different options. The first option is my account and the second option is public profile. You need to tap on the second one option. Here it is. Then you will see this interface. As you can see, I have no snaps in my public profile, but you can add some snaps by clicking on the add snaps button at the bottom of the screen. You can go to the Spotlight and post something to Spotlight. You can actually click on your profile image button and change your profile photo. You can go to the settings and change some settings here. And that's all. And that's how to make a public profile on Snapchat. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.